Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Daily Commodity. So today's topic is related to a agricultural commodity which is used in chocolates and confectionery product, that is cocoa commodity. In today's video we are going to discuss about what is cocoa as a commodity, why is cocoa so valuable, how is cocoa produced, what are the main uses of cocoa, top 5 countries which produces cocoa, and what are the different factors which affects the cocoa prices. So let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from Daily Commodity. So let us begin. What is cocoa as a commodity? Cocoa is a food derived from the dried and fermented seeds or bean of Theobroma cocoa plant, which means food of a god in a Greek language. It is mainly used to make chocolate. The first cultivated cocoa tree has been more than 5,000 years ago, which made a ritual beverage from the seeds. In the 15th century, Spain began to acquire cocoa, and by 17th century, cocoa's popularity has spread throughout the Europe. Why is cocoa so valuable? Today, civilizations all around the world enjoy cocoa in thousands of different ways. With the annual consumption of cocoa beans topping 4.5 million tons, cocoa is an important commodity in the world market today. So now let us know, how is cocoa grown? Cocoa tree grows in tropical region. They require humidity, good soil drainage, and consistent rainfall to grow properly. There are basically two methods to grow cocoa plant. First, they plant young tree between permanent or temporary plants such as coconut and bananas. These crops provide shade for the young cocoa plant. The second is they thin out mature cocoa plant and place the young tree between the older one. The Theobroma cocoa plant that produces cocoa beans grows to be 30 feet tall and produces colorful flowers and white fruit. A cocoa tree takes 5 years to produce cocoa pods, which are the name given to the fruit of the cocoa plant. Cocoa pods are reddish orange or yellow coloring and have a very hard shell. So now let us know, what are the top 5 countries which produces cocoa. The first is Ivory Coast, which produces about 1,448,992 tons of cocoa beans per year. The second is Ghana, which produces about 8,35,466 tons of cocoa beans every year. The third is Indonesia, which produces about 7,77,500 tons of cocoa beans per year. The fourth country is Nigeria, which produces about 3,67,000 tons of cocoa bean. The fifth is Cameroon, which produces about 2,75,000 of cocoa bean every year. Now let us know, what are the main uses of cocoa. The four main uses of cocoa is cocoa liquor, cocoa powder, cocoa butter, cocoa husk. The first is cocoa liquor, the main ingredient in the chocolate and confectionery product. Confectionery products are nothing but a baked product with sugar. The second is cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is an ingredient in chocolate flavored drink and dessert. The third main use of cocoa is done as a cocoa butter, which is used to manufacture the chocolate as well as the cosmetic product such as moisturizing cream and soap. The fourth main use of cocoa is done as cocoa husk. The husk of the cocoa pod and the pulp surrounding the beans have a variety of commercial use, such as animal feed, used as an ingredient in the production of the soft drink and alcoholic beverages, soap manufacturing, etc. What are the factors which drive the price of cocoa? The price of the cocoa are mostly driven by the six factors. First is supply. The supply of the cocoa is heavily concentrated geographically. Over 60% of the global production comes from a few countries in the Western Africa, with the Ivory Coast being the largest grower. Cocoa prices can experience a wide swing as a result of the news from this region. Political and civil unrest and labor dispute can create the change in the supply and demand, which can change the price of the commodity cocoa. The Ivory Coast, for example, has experienced political corruption and instability since the declaration of its independence. A rise in the political tension in this country could severely affect the supply of the cocoa prices. The second is climate. Cocoa pod requires a mix of wet weather and a sunrise to ripen. Each stage of the 5 years process from planting the fruit production requires ideal weather condition. Episodes of long drought condition or heavy rain can cause the pod to dry out or rot. Since the weather determines the crop, it can have a major impact on the cocoa prices. The third is production cycle. The production cycle from cocoa planting to harvest is a multi-year process. Farmers have to make decisions about the crop production long before they will see the profit from their investment. However, because there is such a long growth cycle, the market supply of the cocoa often can quickly react to the changes in demand. These can lead cocoa shortage and rise in the prices. The fourth is infrastructure and transportation. Cocoa is grown in mostly all the parts of the world with a limited infrastructure. Poor roads and transportation equipments make the region susceptible to supply disruption. Erratic rains, for example, can lead to significant delay in the transportation cocoa to the consumers. This delay can result in the supply shortage and the higher prices. The fifth is consumers' preference. Changes in the consumer's taste can affect the demand for the cocoa and impact the prices. In many Western countries, dark chocolate consumption is on the rise due to positive publicity about its health benefit. Dark chocolate requires more cocoa to produce than the milk chocolate. Emerging market consumers can drive the cocoa prices. Since the chocolate is in demand, as an emerging economy requires more wealth, their demand for the chocolate product will probably grow. The last is British pound. Cocoa is one of the last remaining commodity to be traded in British pound. When the pound is weakened, the price of cocoa becomes more expensive on the London future market. However, the US future for the cocoa trade in dollars, so the price is affected by the US currency.